The term metaverse has become increasingly prevalent as far as the cryptocurrency market is concerned. There has been a massive growth in the global metaverse market over the years, and this shows how rapidly the technology is being adopted by investors and organizations. With that said, have a look at the top 6 attractive metaverse projects to look out for in 2022. But before that, welcome back to your channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Satoshi GSD. The green Satoshi token, GSD, is the native cryptocurrency of the Web3 lifestyles app STEPN, according to the project's white paper. STEPN combines SocialFi and GameFi elements and is built around an essential daily activity for most people moving around. When STEPN launched in December 2021, it was the first M2 mobile non-fungible token, NFT, game powered by the Solana network. The game was created by a fintech studio based in Australia named Find Satoshi Lab. The GSD token was arguably one of the most successful tokens of 2022 as it embarked on a bullish trend shortly after launch. Debuting at $1.8451 on 22 December 2021, the token gained nearly 70% in 2 weeks as it reached $3.1216 on 6 January 2022. Even though it managed to lose some momentum between 16 and 20 January, GSD started a steady climb to $2.9423 by 20 February, up from $1.6839 lows a month earlier. As of 20 July, the coin was valued at $0.06673, a 96.4% decline since its launch in December and a 99.1% fall since its all-time high in April. This comes amid a wider shift in market sentiment to risk-off due to the tightening cycle of monetary policy, soaring inflation, the war in Ukraine, and fears of recession, with cryptocurrency veterans Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, down 48% and 56% respectively year-to-date. Due to the shortage of coins, the prices of GSD are rising upwards, which can indicate that in future this coin has the potential to expand. Looking at the 5-year span, we can predict that this coin can reach the $18.03 mark. Number 2. Axie Infinity Axe. Axie Infinity is a non-fungible token-based online video game developed by Sky Mavis in March of 2018, a Vietnamese gaming studio. It is most popular and one of the best metaverse crypto project for its in-game economy, which uses Ethereum-based ERC-20 cryptos. Axie Infinity players can collect and mint NFT, which represent digital pets known as Axes. These so-called pets can be bred and battled with each other within the game. The virtual world of Axie Infinity is built on the MANA network, an Ethereum-linked side chain developed by Sky Mavis. There are 2 main tokens associated with this world: Smooth Love Potion, SLP, and Axie Infinity Shards, AX. SLP has no cap on the number of coins in circulation, hence eventually it lost its monetary value, while AXS only has a limited number of tokens that will ever exist, like any other major crypto, and thus we will be talking about that coin in this video. This was a major blow to stakeholders, investors, and players alike, and resulted in a loss of faith, which was evident on the price charts too. It has lost nearly 92% of its value from its all-time high back in November 2021. This is significantly worse than most of the other major cryptos out there. Number 3. Decentraland, MANA. Decentraland is a 3D virtual world, browser-based platform. Users on Decentraland can purchase virtual plots of land in the platform in the form of NFT using its native token, MANA, which runs on the Ethereum blockchain. However, its token was launched during the great ICO boom initial coin offering of 2017 and had managed to raise $26 million. During the recent 2021 bull run and even in early 2022, major brands began to appear in Decentraland metaverse crypto projects or bought properties in it. These include Samsung, Adidas, Atari, PricewaterhouseCoopers, and Miller Lite, and Sotheby's held its first metaverse auction, and in March 2022, Decentraland hosted Metaverse Fashion. Its native token, MANA, was one of the coins that demonstrated the most rapid hike in price when back on 28 October 2021 Facebook announced that it is rebranding its parent company to Meta and its intentions to enter the metaverse space. But since then, it has been on a downward journey and has lost over 86% since all-time highs. Number 4. The Sandbox, SAND. The Sandbox has a slightly older history than most other blockchain-based metaverse projects out there in the crypto market. It originally started as a 2D open-world sandbox game first released for iOS devices back in May 2012 and for Android the following year. Soon after the acquisition, they shifted their focus towards a 3D blockchain-based version of the game. This new version allowed users to create, buy, and sell in-game creations as NFT. A beta version of the Sandbox marketplace was launched in April 2021, allowing users to purchase in-game NFT from 4 to 6 artists. At the time, the Sandbox had partnerships with brands like the Smurfs, CryptoKitties, and Shaun the Sheep. Later in 2021, it announced partnerships with The Walking Dead and rapper Snoop Dogg. This made Sandbox as one of the best Metaverse crypto projects in 2022. Its native token, Sand, has been a favorite amongst enthusiasts and traders alike. It had an incredible run all through 2021, especially between October and November when it rallied over 800% in the course of a month. And like other coins, this too fell victim to broader market bearish pressures and has been falling ever since. Number 5. ApeCoin, Ape. Launched on 17 March 2022. This is one of the more recent Metaverse coins to enter the crypto space, but quite literally has taken the industry by storm. Soon after it was launched an airdrop to bake NFT holders, the creator of Bored Ape Match Club NFT collection, Yuga Labs announced that it would be launching a Metaverse crypto project running with the ApeCoin token. However, since then it has fallen over 83% and is now the third largest Metaverse coin by market cap, according to CoinMarketCap. In terms of utility, ApeCoin serves a multitude of purposes in the ecosystem created by Yuga Labs. Apart from participating in the DAO, it also gives holders access to exclusive games, events, merchandise, and services. It can also be used for payments via the Ethereum blockchain thanks to it being an ERC20 token. The coin is also already in use as NFT rewards, and holders with the bake receive free APEs that they can immediately cash. Number 6. Enjin Coin Enj. Enjin Coin is an Ethereum-based token. You can use this to purchase assets in several metaverses linked to the Enjin ecosystem. Their website lists out a bunch of blockchain-based games which are linked to the Enjin ecosystem. It enables you to purchase NFT and other collectibles from those particular blockchain games, making it one of the top Metaverse crypto projects in 2022. Enjin Coin, despite its multi-pronged use cases and good project developments, this coin too has been a victim of the broader market bearish cues and has lost over 90% of its value since its ATH. However, if the broader market recovers with the NFT and Metaverse segment getting a boost, this coin is bound to recover too. So, that's all we have for you today. In conclusion, we can all agree that the Metaverse industry as a whole is at a very nascent stage. It will require some more time to gain more substance and definition before it can actually solve real-world problems. But it is undeniable that Metaverse will be the next big thing that will revolutionize the internet and how humans operate in the world today. Which is why major corporations are pouring billions of dollars into building for this Metaverse space. Tell us your thoughts in the comments below on these projects and especially the newcomer Satoshi. Until then, peace.